Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's up? First of all, I would all want you all to comment in the comment section down below if this hairstyle suits me. If you all think the earlier videos which had my new hairstyle was suiting me, please let me know which one suits me. I like this one also. It's got a little messiness to my hair, so that's cool all about it. And a little sad news. Let's start off with a little sad news. On the 26th of June, there were two riders in the capital of India, that's Delhi. There was an accident and they've lost their lives. All I would like to tell my NRS families, please be very careful when you all are riding on roads. Even in 2020, if you all must notice, if you are a fan of MotoGP, I'm sure you all must have seen where MM93, that's Marc Marquez, had fallen down and for some reason he had broken his arm. So even on a closed circuit like that, where they have all the airbags in their jacket, where they have of gravel to save them from major hits, but still he had broken his arm. So imagine when things like something like this on a road happens, there are no chances of you to survive. Please be very careful, because I want the biker brotherhood to increase, make this family bigger and bigger day by day. We do not want to lose people. May their soul rest in peace, and may God give their family a lot of strength. But please, NRS family, I request you all with joint hands, please be very careful when you all are riding on roads. Protection is a must, and we are not here to race. We are not in Isle of Man to race at 200, 260. What speeds? Wow, that's crazy. Please do not do it. ऑल इंडियन सबके लिए मैं एक ही चीज़ कहता हूँ, प्लीज़ ज़्यादा स्पीड मत कीजिए, लिमिट्स में रहिए. घर पे कोई रुका है आपके लिए, देयर इज़ समवन वेटिंग फॉर यू एट होम. सो प्लीज़ डू नॉट राइड fast. That's my request. So for all you who all are curious to know which bike I'm riding today, what is that thrill, I was waiting eagerly to ride this bike, and I have this bike with me earlier also. So check out these cinematic shots and we will meet you straight on the motorcycle. So NRS family, did you like the cinematic shots? Yes, this is the CB300R by Honda. This is the BS4 model which I am riding. Honda will be launching the, I can say, the BS6 model very soon. So stay tuned for that also. Once it launches, I will make a video on that soon. And yeah, this is a 286 cc engine with 30 bhp of horsepower and 143 weight, so it's quite comfortable. The riding posture is also very comfortable, and I can say it has a nice it is compared with the 390 from KTM, and till a certain extent with the BMW 310R also. So it's amazingly smooth, and it gobbles all the potholes also very well. I have checked the tire pressure right now, so it's perfect. And the riding posture, to be honest, I am a fan of this riding posture. It's so easy, it's so nimble. Taking it through the traffic and everything, it's so nimble. I am in love with this motorcycle. To be honest, it's very light at 143 kgs, and whenever you need the power, you have it. So it has a nice grunt also to the I can say
exhaust. The exhaust has a nice grunt whenever it's pulled at high RPM. Anything above 5000 RPM and it has a great grunt, so that's also an amazing part. This bike is not only made for, I can say, the city, but also on the highways. If you want to take it, if you want to ride it, as you must have seen in the cinematic shots, the rider is so comfortable because the seat is big. At the same time, if you want to carry a pillion, you want to take a pillion along, wow, it is comfortable, boy. It is comfortable for the pillion as well. I have no words. Trust me, Honda being so smooth with the 300cc engine, I am a fan of this motorcycle. I've been waiting to get my hands on this, and I've been waiting to ride this. It's not mine, it's my uncle's. He's bought it long back, but due to the pandemic and he not being here, I couldn't ride it and get my hands on it. So the best part is I'm taking it through some potholes, but I'm not feeling that on my back. Because of the upright posture, it's so comfortable. Trust me, it's very comfortable. I must have said this word a million times, but yes, trust me, it is comfortable. If you've not ridden this bike, I would advise you to ride this bike. They come in from anywhere. Cops, man. And we have a fuel light blinking over here, so we will have to fill a little bit fuel also. But I'm in love with this bike. 300cc, they claim it. The actual cc is 286, but powerful whenever required, and very, very user friendly. Trust me, maybe because of the riding posture, maybe because of the handlebar which it is set up like this. This is stock. There's nothing which is done to the bike, so this is absolutely stock. Rain, go away, please come some other day. We have to fill some fuel today. So yes, we have filled fuel and we're back on the motorcycle. Every downshift at around 5,500 RPM is when you get a great grunt. So that's beautiful about this bike. And I've been riding it since I can say now past 4-5 hours, and I've loved this bike. Trust me, I've loved this bike. Only one or I can say disadvantage I saw with this bike is not in the riding, but basically it is more in the quality, I can say, because I just noticed while I was filling fuel, I just noticed a small thing. Like if you see the fuel cap, here you go. So I'll stop at the side and I'll show you the fuel cap. It has little paint chipping or some bubbles in the paint. I hope you all can see this part. So the quality of this is what I can say is not up to the mark, but otherwise I feel very good with the bike. But Honda, when you launch the BS6 model, keep in mind these small things, because these do really matter. We staying in India, there are all type of climates, the rainy, the summer, the winters. So I am sure some parts or some parts of the motorcycle you have to make it a little stronger, because this is the most important part of the bike, I feel, because you're going to fill fuel from here and you don't want rusting or anything going to your fuel. It will harm your engine. So one small thing, Honda, please keep in mind, this is what I would like to get to your notice. So NRS family, I know I spoke to you all about safety, and I'm sorry I do not have my gloves on right now. Only reason why my entire suit or my entire, I can say, attire is of leather, so I have to buy gloves which are all weather. So keeping this in mind, let's give a shout out to the lucky winner or the lucky person. So all you have to do is go follow my Instagram ID. It's always the first link in the description below, and the ID is also flashing on the screen right now. So first go follow it. Second, send me a message or send me a DM on my Instagram ID that which is the one riding gloves, all-weather riding gloves, I can say, you would want to see on this channel, me while riding any motorcycle. So suggest me one, and if I like it and if I purchase that one, I'm sure going to give out one lucky winner a complete shout out for that also. So go follow me on Instagram and suggest me, and if you're the lucky one, you will be, I'm not kidding, you are going to feature on my Instagram ID for 24 hours. I'm going to put a post of one of your favorite image, whichever you like. You suggest me, I will ask you whichever you like, and I'm going to put it up for 24 hours on my Insta story. What a scenic view. I hope you all can see the buildings, you all can see the mountains. What a view, boys, what a view. This is one of the best locations I've liked to shoot right now. It's very comfortable, it's very windy, though it rained tonight, right now also in the morning, and it was raining continuously. But I'm enjoying the weather. More than the weather, I'm enjoying this bike. This bike has got me so comfortable, because all are aware about the Scarlett which I ride. If you all are not aware, do check out my earlier videos and my Insta ID. But if you all have noticed, my Scarlett is very heavy. She's weighing 210 kgs. Yes, it is an inline 4, it is a 650cc, I can understand all that. But this at 143 kgs, wow, I feel so comfortable. I can keep riding it all day. I can do so many things on this bike, and I'm so comfortable. I like this bike a lot. I hope I could use it for daily use also. I'm speechless about this bike. I've never thought that Honda would make something so refined with a 300cc. I want to see a press control machine. Let's go for it. Twice. This sounds amazing, the RX. I miss it. And to be honest, my uncle also had an RX before this. It had the same color also. It was a maroon color bike, and unfortunately a few years back it was stolen, and he misses it. He used it for approximately 30 years, and now he misses that bike. And this was a legendary bike. The RX was a legendary bike. Do let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see more content, me doing more reviews about other bikes also. And I will surely make videos like this. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and it's a wrap. NRS family.